Hey guys, if you're facing any type of problem in Instagram and you want to know how can you contact Instagram support team, you're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you different ways on how can you contact them. Just follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and let's make sure we have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Finally, go ahead and open your app. So open Instagram, make sure you are logged in, then tap right here in the bottom right corner because we need to open your profile first. Now we need to head out to settings. So tap right here in the top right corner on these three lines. Then tap on settings and privacy right here. Now what you need to do is to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on help right there. Once you open help, tap on report a problem at the very top. Tap on report a problem without shaking right here. Then tap on include and continue. And from here you can go ahead and describe your problem to the Instagram support team and make sure we mention every single detail. Then tap on send in the top right corner and they will get back to you in a short amount of time. Now if you can't do that from there, you can go ahead and open your browser and search for Instagram support. Now if you do that, you can still open this Instagram help center. You cannot contact them, but you can find some solutions to your problems. If you quit from there and tap on contact us right here, you still cannot contact them. It's just basically a place that you can search for help for your problems. If you want to know how can you contact them using their email, go ahead and open the Gmail app. Then from there, go ahead and tap on compose in the bottom right corner right here. From here, we need to go ahead and type in Instagram's email. So we need to start by tapping support@instagram.com. So that's support@instagram.com. And under that, go ahead and tap on it and describe your problem from them. And they should get back to you in 24 to 48 hours. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If it was useful for you, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.